Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the power number 8 for the both sides to cancel about the root, and we have 2 plus tan x. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 8u to the power of 7 du. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have the x over cosine x squared. So this one we change by u. This one we change by 8u to the power of 7 du. So we simplify and we have like this. Now we have the formula in here. So this one we have like this. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.